In Microsoft To Do, we have the option of sharing lists with others. Lists can be only shared between personal accounts or between work or school account in the same organization. So suppose if I want to share planning office event list with other person in my organization, I'll right click this list and then click on share list, which will show me a dialog box to create an invitation link. I'll click the create invitation link and it shows me a URL which I can copy and share it with others in the organization. So I can send it through Teams, I can WhatsApp it, I can email it, or I can SMS the URL to others. So this is the URL. So I can copy this link from here. And once it is shared, the person has to log into this link using a web browser. They will have to use their Outlook account. I'll go to a different browser. This time I'll go to Chrome and paste this link. Here it shows me to sign in to join to this list. So I'll click here and I'll log into Shrihit's account. And it shows me the option to join to this list. So it shows me Ravi Kumar has shared this list planning office event with you. And I'll click join list. Now I'll open this list. And you can see that planning office event list is shared with Shrihit as well. So all the tasks in planning office event are visible in this list. Also, next to the list, there is a sharing icon which is appearing, which shows that this is a shared list. So here I'll add a task called arrange for a coffee machine. And when I go to my account, I can see that this list also has this arrange for a coffee machine task. Now I'll go back to Shrihit's view. And if I click this task, it shows me an option called assign to. So when I click this assign to, it shows me options to whom I can assign this task to. So I'll assign this task to Ravi Kumar. So you can see that it is assigned to Ravi Kumar. Now when I go to this Ravi Kumar's list, I can see in the assign to you list, arrange for a coffee machine is present in this list. So the tasks which are assigned in a shared list are visible in assigned to you list. Coming to the planning office event list, which I am owner of, if I right click this list, it shows me sharing options. So when I click sharing options, it shows me whom all this list is shared with. So it shows me that it is shared with me and Shrihit. And this is the link which I can copy again to share it with others. I can manage the access to this list by clicking manage access. And here it shows me options of limiting access to current members. So new people will not be able to join this list. I can even stop sharing this list. So when I click this stop sharing, all the members of the shared list will be removed and invitation link will no longer work. So if I click stop sharing, this has become a normal list now without the shared icon. And in this Shrihit's view, this list is not present anymore.